welcome back to my channel. This is Priya. I am a makeup, hair and a styling expert. On today's video, it is all about makeup. So I'm going to show you how to create this wing liner with an eyeshadow and give that little bit of smoky effect to this liner. This will help you especially during when you actually finished your eyeliner and you don't have eyeliner right now. Your eyeshadow, your black eyeshadow is enough to create this look. And yeah, since this is on trend, I thought why not to create this look for you guys. So if you guys want to know how to create this wing liner with a little smoky effect, then definitely keep on watching. So here I start, guys. First of all, I always recommend you guys to focus on skincare. So always apply moisturizer if your skin is really dry. After that, I'm gonna start applying concealer on my face. The concealer that I'm using over here is Tarte with the tan shade. It is amazing concealer. It gives a good coverage, and the concealer I'm applying it with blending it with the beauty blender. This is a small beauty blender and it's an amazing beauty blender, especially for under eye and concealing your nose area or lip area, because since it is small, it is easier for you to blend and hold it. But if you don't want to invest on small beauty blender, even your big beauty blender will do the same work. This is just the comfort that I'm talking about. This is from PAC. Next, I'm applying foundation. Foundation is again from PAC with the shade of 2.5. It's a perfect shade for my skin tone, guys. So if you have a skin tone similar to my skin tone, then this is the right shade. But still, I would advise you guys to please check it under your jawline before you buy any foundation. This is the liquid foundation, that's why the blending is super easy. The blending brush that I'm using, guys, it's one of my favorite blending brush. It is from Miniso and it's very reasonable. I guess it is just 250 rupees and it gives amazing blending. The hold is really nice. Okay, I'm using concealer again, but this time a little lighter concealer so that it gives enhancement under my eye. This is an optional. If you want, you can skip this step as well. Next step, I am baking my foundation by using translucent powder from PAC again. Yes, PAC is my favorite brand for all my skin based products basically. Next step is my favorite step because this is contouring. Contouring is being my most favorite step because it really structures your face and enhance your face structure. So the contouring palette that I'm using right now is from Anastasia Beverly Hills and they have amazing shades. I most of the time use this palette only, and the brush that I'm using is from Candice. Any angular brush is really good for contouring. So this is what I'm gonna advise you guys, that whenever you do contouring, make sure you use a brush which is angular brush. And yeah, that's how I'm doing contouring, focusing on jawline, focusing on cheekbone, and little bit on forehead and little bit towards nose. Next up, I'm going to use this banana powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills itself. This I'm going to use under the eye and all the highlighting areas basically. Bridge of the nose and then forehead, little bit on chin. So that's how, yeah, you can use it over there as well, just below where you have done the contouring. This will enhance the contouring, plus it gives the enhancement to the area. Next, I'm gonna use blush. Blush is from Bene Cosmetics. I'm gonna use very little, guys, because I don't like too much of blush, and especially on this look, I don't prefer to use too much of blush. So this is something very peachy finish. of blush I'm gonna use next. Moving on to eyebrows now. For eyebrows, I don't do too much of eyebrows because it looks too fake. So I just use the spoolie, and then the palette that I use for this eyebrow, I'm gonna use Europe Girl. Europe Girl has 3 shades: light, medium and dark. So I'm gonna use medium and light color. Lighter color always towards the start of the eyebrow, and darker color always towards the end of the eyebrow. That's how you have to fill the eyebrow. Next, I'm gonna start with lips. So I'm just gonna fill my lips with lip balm first. Lip balm is very important before you start applying lipstick on your face. So I'm just applying lip balm right now, so that whenever I apply the lipstick, it'll be like very moisturized. And finally, starting with the eyes, I think I've explained a lot for the face makeup, the base makeup. Let's move on to the eyes. For the eyes, I will start with the base, just the base shade, and then if you see how I'm creating this wing liner, just use any of the object like this, and it will basically give you the guide. So I've just created the guide of the wing liner like this, and then I'm just gonna fill in with the eyeshadow. So guys, I'm just using the eyeshadow right now. I am not using any liner, any kajal or anything. I'm just using the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow, and I'm sure in any palette you will definitely find black eyeshadow. So this is what I'm using, and that's how I create my wing liner with the eyeshadow. This is easier. It looks difficult, but you just need practice, and you will be able to do it. In the beginning, always guide your wing, because one side is always better and one side is never good. So yeah, it will be better if you guys use a guide and then complete the wing liner with the help of that guide. And you have to use the triangular angular brush, because that's how you'll be able to create that sharp and crisp wing liner with eyeshadow. I'm sure you guys will surely try this, because this is easier, guys. This is not that difficult. I'm sure you guys can do it. And on top of it, if you really want to enhance it with some eyeshadow, I'm just going to use the brown eyeshadow just to create that smoky effect to this wing liner. So that's how, see, I am just filling it on top of the wing liner that I've created. On the lower lash line, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just using the same color from the same palette, and I'm just filling it in so that it enhances my eyes even more, and it helps my eyes to look bigger. And anyways, it is on trend. Lower lash line has become so compulsory when you do eyes. Not that compulsory though, but then yeah, for this look you can go for it. And for the eyeliner, if you guys notice, I'm using white eyeliner and not the black eyeliner. Let me know in the comment section below that, just guess, like, why am I using black, why I'm using white eyeliner and not the black eyeliner. I really want to know if you guys know this. And if you guys really want to know, then comment and ask me. I would really like to interact with you guys. And yeah, now this is our favorite step. That is mascara. I just can't ignore applying mascara. Like, even if I don't do any makeup, I make sure I apply mascara all the time. So the mascara that I'm using over here is from Lakme, Iconic, and this is a very good mascara. I would advise you guys to use it, and it is super reasonable. Okay, the step that I'm doing right now is I'm just enhancing the eyebrow bone by using the highlighter. I'm just applying the highlighter over there and on the corner of the eyes, like inner corner of the eyes. the highlighter that I'm using over here is from K Beauty. It's again a reasonable one, and something which I would really advise you guys to definitely try this. Finally, I am on lips now. For the lips, I'm gonna first use the lip pencil, and this from Pro Arte. I'm gonna link down, and I'm gonna write down the name of the shade on my description box. The lipstick that I'm using over here is from Pro Arte, and it's a very beautiful cream lip shade. I'm gonna link down, and I'm gonna write down the name on the description box below. This is a very good shade, and the best part about this lip shade is that it stays for longer time and it gives that matte finish, and it's a cream base, so it doesn't make my lips really dry. And yeah, we are done finally. So that's how simple and quick it is. I hope you guys will try it, and if you guys will try it, definitely please DM me your pictures on my Instagram. I'll link down the Instagram link over here. So here are some other videos which you can surely see, and I hope you like it. Definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on my another video. Until then, bye.